Do you have trouble sleeping? Do you get sick often? Or do you have low energy? If so, you may have low NK cell activity. NK cells are a type of white blood cell that play a vital role in our immune system. They help to fight off infection and cancer. In this video, I will share 16 tips to boost your NK cell activity and improve your overall health. Are you ready to unleash your inner immune superhero? Please watch until the end to find out the best tip for boosting your NK cells. We have surprises for you at the end. Before we dive in, please be assured that everything in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice. If you have any medical concerns, please consult with a qualified healthcare professional. So, let's start with number 16, is all about maintaining good hygiene. It's like having a security detail for your immune superheroes. Basic practices, like washing your hands regularly, create a protective barrier that keeps invaders at bay. By practicing these essential hygiene measures, you're keeping your immune superheroes safe from harm. Coming in at number 15, we have something truly powerful, selenium. Think of it as the armor that shields your immune superheroes from harm. Foods like Brazil nuts are packed with selenium. Ensure you have enough of it, and your immune team will be better prepared to face any challenges that come their way. Number 14 introduces us to an interesting ally, mushrooms. Specifically, mushrooms like shiitake and maitake contain compounds that enhance your immune response. These mushrooms are like the secret weapons in the arsenal of your immune superheroes. Incorporate them into your diet to bolster your immune system's ability to defend your body against threats. At number 13, we have an essential building block for your immune superheroes, zinc. It supports the development and function of NK cells. Foods like nuts, seeds, and legumes are rich sources of zinc. Think of zinc as the bricks and mortar that reinforce the fortress of your immune system. Provide them with this essential mineral, and your superheroes will stand strong against invaders. Number 12 brings us to an essential nutrient, vitamin D. Vitamin D is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy immune system. It helps regulate the activity of immune cells, increase the production of antimicrobial peptides, and modulate inflammatory responses. Sunlight is the primary source of vitamin D, but it is not always sufficient. Including vitamin D-rich foods in your diet can help ensure an adequate intake. Some natural food sources of vitamin D include fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, fortified dairy products, eggs, and mushrooms. By giving your immune heroes this vital nutrient, you ensure they remain strong and ready to defend your body. At number 11, we have a true power-up turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a potent compound with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Antioxidants help neutralize harmful molecules called free radicals, which can damage cells and contribute to aging and disease. By fighting oxidative stress, curcumin may help protect your body against damage caused by these free radicals. Think of it as the boost your immune superheroes need to combat threats more effectively and stay in top shape. Number 10 introduces us to a protective shield, garlic. Garlic is a powerful ally in the fight against infection. It contains a variety of antimicrobial compounds, including allicin, which have been shown to kill a wide range of bacteria, viruses, and fungi. In addition to its antimicrobial properties, garlic has also been shown to boost the immune system in a number of ways. Garlic can also help to activate macrophages, a type of immune cell that helps to engulf and destroy foreign invaders. Incorporating garlic into your diet is a simple and effective way to give your immune system an extra boost. Coming in number 9 is a tip for maintaining peak performance. Limit alcohol intake. Excessive alcohol creates a fog around your immune superheroes, impairing their vision. Enjoy alcohol in moderation to keep your immune superheroes in top form. Clear away the fog, and they'll be more effective guardians of your health. Number 8 is all about breaking the chains. Avoid smoking. Smoking weakens your immune superheroes, sending them into battle with one hand tied behind their backs. Quitting smoking is one of the most impactful things you can do for your immune health. By doing so, your immune superheroes will regain their full potential. Next, number 7, we have a crucial tip: maintaining a healthy weight. Carrying excess weight is like dragging a backpack full of rocks for your immune superheroes. It slows them down and hampers their performance. Maintain a healthy weight through a balanced diet and regular exercise to free your heroes from this burden. Lighten their load, and they'll be able to respond to threats more efficiently. If you're enjoying this video, please consider subscribing and turning on notifications so you never miss a new upload. We share helpful health information and tips to help you live your healthiest life. Now let's move on to number 6. Your gut health is the command center for your immune superheroes. Probiotics are like the communication network that helps them coordinate their efforts. Yogurt, kefir, and fermented foods are great sources of probiotics. By nurturing your gut, you empower your immune superheroes to defend your body more effectively. Number 5 reminds us of a crucial element: staying hydrated. Water is the lifeblood of your immune system, fueling your superheroes into action. Proper hydration ensures that your NK cells can move freely and do their job effectively. So, remember to drink enough water to keep your immune team hydrated and on high alert. At number 4, we tackle a formidable foe: stress. Stress is a normal part of life, but too much stress can weaken your immune system and make you more susceptible to illness. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones like cortisol, which can suppress the production of white blood cells and other immune cells. This is why it's important to find healthy ways to manage stress. Relaxation techniques like meditation, deep breathing, and yoga can help to reduce your stress levels and boost your immune system. Number 3 takes us to the realm of rejuvenation: getting enough sleep. Sleep is essential for overall health and well-being, including immune function. When you sleep, your body has a chance to repair and regenerate itself. This includes your immune system. During sleep, your body produces more cytokines, which are signaling molecules that help to regulate the immune response. Cytokines help to activate and recruit immune cells, such as natural killer cells, or NK cells, and T cells. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to give your immune system the power boost it needs to keep you healthy. Wow, that's a great way. Let's talk about number 2, which is all about training your immune superheroes. Exercise regularly. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good and boosting your immunity. Regular physical activity improves blood circulation, ensuring your NK cells patrol your body effectively. Picture it like a gym for your immune heroes. The more they train, the stronger and faster they become. And finally, we have reached the pinnacle. Number 1, eat a balanced diet. Your immune system relies on a diverse diet, just like a team of superheroes with unique superpowers. Vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants are their tools, and foods like berries, leafy greens, and lean proteins are their allies. Eating a balanced diet is like giving your superheroes a well-rounded arsenal to protect your health. There you have it, folks. The top 16 ways to boost your NK cells and keep those superheroes in top form. Remember to incorporate these tips into your daily routine to stay healthy and resilient. And now, over to you. Which is the best way to boost your NK cells? Leave your comment below. Remember to access the special gift in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health and wellness content. Until next time, stay strong and keep those immune superheroes ready for action. Thank you for watching.